Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. I have some folios to share with you. Oh, these folios. So, I am so happy. I'm going to go through each one quickly, and they're all basically created the same. And I just used some pattern paper that I've been hoarding away for some time, and I finally got a chance to get through some quite quickly. Oh, they're so cool. I love it. So this folio, you can actually find the instructions if you go to maymaymadeit.com. Actually, that's her website, but she's also here on YouTube, and she actually gave instructions on how to create a 3-page folio. So what she means by that, it's the actual the folio itself, not the pattern paper. That takes 3 pages, and it's 3 12 by 12 pages. So, and then it's what you can do is use your 6 by 6 pads of paper, trim them down so that there's a border, and you'll have some strips left over, but very little. You can, of course, make some strip cards with those. And yeah, you can just, if you have 12 by 12 sheets of paper like I do, you know, this is such a good gift to give people. You know, I love it. And she did such a great job of explaining how to do it. I definitely recommend going to her YouTube site, or her YouTube channel, I mean, and take a look at what she has. There's other folios that she has I have not tried, but yeah, this is the one that I really wanted to use because I thought I can get through the most pattern paper in one fell swoop. So yeah, this is so beautiful. Look at this. This is gorgeous. I just love it. She did such a good job on creating this, and when I saw it, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I gotta try this myself. Yeah, this one I installed the flaps a little bit differently. It was actually on accident, but I don't know. I think it closes a little bit better than having the flap out in front. You know, she did show how to put a magnet in. Of course, you can use a Velcro piece or a belly band if that's what you want to use. But yeah, it's really the same thing over and over again that I'm sharing with you here. And that's really it. I'm going to flip the rest and put some music on. But again, I definitely recommend going to Maymay's channel. I love her. If you haven't already subscribed to her, go ahead and subscribe to her. She is awesome. She truly is. Thanks. Until next time.